guys, it's Erika. We are going to be checking out YOUNITE's Waterfall performance music video. Really excited for this because we got to look at the choreography, which looks so amazing in the music video. I've always really liked their choreography, and we're just getting a better look at it here. So really excited. So you know what, it like go. I love the beach set. Nice already. Okay. Ooh. I love the choreography so much. The choreography is so good. Get out. Come on. It's good. They're clean, but they still have that swag. Ooh. And a lot of the camera angles I'm really appreciating. That was a nice section. Very smooth with it too. Nice. 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 And the camera work there was really good. The framing of everything is really nice. That's cute. Musicality there at the end is amazing. That outro choreography is amazing. It's really good choreography. I really love it. It's like tickling all the right parts of my brains. The textures, the different types of stuff that they're doing is absolutely amazing. The formations are great. The camera work here is really great. The framing of thing, I think their like focal length choice was really nice. Because I don't know, there's just something about it. Like they kind of go at like a higher angle, but then it's like it's not only just like you can't only see whoever's center or whoever the camera's on their face, you kind of can see 4 or 5 people behind them, and I really appreciate that. I think it was excellent camera work for everything. I think the music video was really great. All the sets are really dope. Their outfits are really great. The choreography is so good. It's really good. They have that type of like swag and charm to them that really works with it, but they can have like cuter moments, but then they know when to change it up, the right moments, and I really loved it. I love this. It's probably my favorite choreography they have done so far, and I really like this performance version of it, and I really love this comeback. Go to put your thoughts in the comments down below. What you thought about YOUNITE's Waterfall performance music video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you liked me and want to see more of my videos, go and hit that subscribe button. If you want to see my videos the second they come out, hit that notification button. If you want to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, or description down below. At the end screen, share this video to your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. 넌 내게 빠질 걸